Namaskaram everyone. Welcome to my channel. I'm painting the rose flower. I took the reference from the design on my sofa in my home. First of all, I have drawn a rough sketch with a pencil and then started painting with the watercolors. I took a red color for the rose as it is very vibrant color, and I have used earbuds for the coloring. I'm not able to do sharp pictures because of the broadness of the earbud, but anyway, I have completed the painting quite well, quite good. For the leaves, I have taken a thick green color. Here also same, I'm not able to do the sharp edges properly, but anyhow I have finished it quite well. For the flowers I have took a baby pink color, and for the centers I have taken orange color. After filling the flowers, after painting the flowers, I have taken orange color for the centers. And today I have done a new thing. I have mixed blue watercolor and orange to obtain this light green color, to obtain a different color. If you like it, comment in my comment section about the color. And then in the background I have taken blue watercolor, and I have painted the background. Then I have given the outlines. Do you know what? I have used the ballpoint pen for the outlines. Yeah, here is the final result. Hope you enjoyed it. If you like the video, please like it. And if you wanna join my journey, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you all.